senior class of 2020. I just wanted to give you a few of my favorite quotes from Walt Disney just to get you motivated for next year. To all the youngsters of today, I say believe in the future. The world is getting better. If you can dream it, you can do it. First, think. Second, believe. Third, dream. And finally, dare. We keep moving forward, opening new doors, and doing new things because we're curious, and curiosity always leads us down new paths. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing, because all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Congratulations, class of 2020. We know you'll do great.
To the 2020 Hoover High School seniors, congratulations. Hi, I'm Mrs. Melert. I'm a first grade teacher over at Northwood Elementary School. You've made it through an exciting but a very unexpected year. You've achieved so much in the past 4 years at Hoover High School, even during the recent challenging times we've had. I have such fond memories of you being in first grade with our math centers, our reading groups, and our writing activities. But I think the most fondest times I have with you are when we did our 3 Billy Goats Gruff plays. We worked so hard on them and then we presented them to our families. Or the time we had a teddy bear sleepover. We brought our teddy bears to school, let them stay overnight, and when we got back the next day, they had destroyed the classroom. Or even when we had a small animal come join us one day in school. We thought it was a small little frog hopping around the classroom, and it ended up being a little baby bat that couldn't fly. That was a great story to talk about for the rest of the school year. It has been an honor to watch you in sporting activities such as football, baseball, basketball, soccer, swimming, cheerleading, band, and of course my favorite, the dance competition. I'm so proud of what you've achieved. If you're ever in need of someone to talk to about a school up north, please feel free to contact me. Great school, great place to live. Go Blue. And the last thing I want to let you know is something will grow from all that you have been through, and that something will be you. Congratulations.